In complex industrial environments, teams make thousands of decisions every day, and every wrong decision leads to delays, inefficiencies, and costly downtime. You may already have data, dashboards, even digital twins showing what's happening, but they don't tell you what to do next or whether it will work in the real world. That's why teams turn to DataMesh FactVerse, a platform for building and running executable digital twins, not just to understand your operations, but to make decisions that work. At the core of FactVerse are two engines. The Twin engine connects data and builds a living 3D model of your operations, capturing the full context, from space to workflows and constraints. The AI Agent engine continuously analyzes operations, predicts outcomes, proposes actions, and turns them into executable workflows. And when higher confidence is required, those decisions are tested in the Twin, from AI-driven decisions to simulation-validated execution. With a low-code, modular architecture, FactVerse reduces deployment time from months to weeks. On top of this platform, we provide application suites: Designer for authoring and simulation, Director for training and guidance, Inspector for inspection and maintenance, Simulator for immersive machinery training, all built on the same digital twin foundation. And this same environment can also be used to train embodied AI systems through DataMesh robotics. Across industries, FactVerse turns decisions into measurable results. Reduce downtime and improve OE with predictive maintenance. Cut waiting time by up to 30% with AI-driven scheduling. Get new hires job-ready 30% faster with XR-based training. DataMesh FactVerse. From visibility to executable intelligence. Start your free trial today.